To take an existing ignition project that's having data logged using the Chirp module and to upgrade that to the module for ignition by Canary, I want to walk you through the steps. Let's start by looking at our gateway and noticing that we have a large set of tags, or about 6,500 tags, broken into your typical ignition tag structure with folders. And all of those are currently being logged with history enabled using the Chirp module. If I look at my Chirp module, the name of my logger is Canary. I'm sending that to a local sender service. And in my instance, I'm also sending that to a local historian at a 1-second update rate. It's going to my local historian with a data set named ignition. If we edit these tags, we'll see that. History is enabled, and I'm sending to a storage provider named Canary. When I look at my historian, there's my ignition data set, 6,500 tags, currently being updated. Additionally, my sender service shows that I have a single connection via Web API with a unique identifier. It's going to be important that you just note that identifier. In this case, it ends in 869. So the first thing we'll do is we'll install the Canary module. I can download that from info.canarylabs.com/ignition-module-download. Once that's been downloaded, we'll go ahead and install. Right now I can come down to the Canary subfolder or submenu, and I'm going to configure a collector. This is a data collector using the sender service API. We'll create a new collector. I'm going to name it the same. In this case, Canary. It's important that you keep the same name. That way we don't have to go through and edit each tag and point it towards a different storage provider. Turn off my autofill. My historian stays the same, and my data set stays the same. The Chirp module converted all tag names to a lowercase, so we'll want to make sure we enable the lowercase tag name path, and I need to disable the collector. I don't want to start logging tags yet. It's an important feature. Lowercase tag paths is enabled, the collector is disabled. So now it's ready to go. We are going to stop the Chirp module from logging. We're going to purge the current sender service session, and then we are going to enable the Canary collector for the new module. Doing it in this order gives me the shortest data gap in switchover, usually about 15 seconds. So again, that order is: we will stop and delete the Chirp session. We will purge the sender service session. Again, it's important to note which one that is. And then we'll start the logging session using the new Canary module. To start it, all I need to do is come in, edit, and enable the collector. And instantaneously you'll see that we've picked up all of our tags and we're logging that data. If you're going to do a conversion from Chirp to the Canary module, we'd love to help walk you through it. Just reach out to us, info@canarylabs.com.